Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you some cars I picked up from Johnny Lightning. First would be is a 1955 Chevy sedan, like an old-time police car. Has red and blue lights up top. Sorry, my camera's not focusing in, but there it is. Second, we have a 1977 Dodge Monocle Taxi, Johnny Lightning. Look like the old New York style cab back in the day. And I picked up one Hot Wheels, Matchbox. Holden UTE SSV. And that'll be it for this video. I'll show you that police car once again. Maybe it'll focus in a little better. Ah, there it is. Real nice. Alright. Those are my 3 finds. Please subscribe. Good hunting.